In today's video, we delve into the structure of a Flutter project within the Android Studio development environment. Welcome back to Code Climbers, where we take you on a coding journey, one step at a time. When working with Flutter, the generated project files are placed in a specific folder. In our case, it's the test app folder under the Documents folder, which we created in the previous video. To understand the Flutter project structure, open Android Studio. From the Documents folder, open the existing project test app. Now, let's take a closer look at the basic structure of a Flutter project. When you build a project in Flutter, you'll typically encounter several key folders. We have the Android folder for Android apps, the iOS folder for iPhone apps, the Linux folder for Linux desktop applications, the macOS folder for Apple desktop applications, the web folder for websites that run in browsers, and the Windows folder for Windows desktop applications. While Flutter allows you to maintain a single codebase for multiple platforms, it generates platform-specific code or configurations within these folders. For instance, the Android folder contains essential elements such as the Android manifest file, a resources folder, and Java or Kotlin source code. Within your project, you'll also find a build directory. It contains all the temporary artifacts generated when you compile your app. The next crucial file is pubspec. Within this file, you'll find the configuration details for your app. Here, you'll declare your fonts, dependencies, and image assets. Then, we have the test folder. This folder is primarily used for larger projects, where you can place your unit tests, written in Dart code. Watch our video about Flutter unit tests, where we'll provide a proof of concept on how to write them. Lastly, we have the lib folder that serves as the heart and soul of your Flutter app. This is where you'll place all your Dart code. Initially, you'll find only one file in this directory, main.dart. Let's launch the app on a device. We have chosen the Linux desktop. The app appears on the Linux window. To prevent the app window from getting hidden, right-click on the bar and select Always on Top. To get a feel for it, let's try changing the title and observe the changes. After modifying it, relaunch the app using the hot reload button. The changes can be seen immediately. So, we have covered the Flutter project structure. To make your coding experience smoother than ever, in our upcoming video, we shall cover Flutter's handy hot reload and hot restart buttons. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Code Climbers for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!